Choose a suitable support scrap and put it in a corner of the vat, partially out of the screen area. Use your tongue clean function for cure the entire screen area and use 15 seconds or above as exposure time. Now you can pull slow and gently the support. It will take with it all the cured sheet in one go. If the print is stuck only in a little area, you can reopen the print project, put a slightly bigger rectangle around the filled parts, delete all the models and slice, because you saved the project, right? Put a support in the corner of the area that will light up and print the file without the build plate. After the first layer, you can stop the print and pull the support with a little cured sheet attached to it. However, after this kind of operations, I strongly recommend to take out the resin from the vat and filter it, because there might be some residue.